Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl D here, and I'm excited today because I'm going to be making a DIY video for you, and I'm going to show you how to make tassel earrings, and I'm just going to rock them, and I know you will like them. So with me here, I also have a cup of green tea. I want to be taking green tea as I just go on making my tassel earrings today. So this is green tea with rose, and this is what I'm going to be taking as I just go on with my video. So guys, with me here, these are the following things that I'm going to need today. Let it just, I'm just going to give it time, and meanwhile we can just continue with our video for today. With me here, I have 3 types of sewing thread. This is what I'm going to use today, and then I have my hooks here, the one that I'm going to just hook here, and I'm going to show you the process, and I know you will likely love it and you will try to make it. I'm also going to use my hot glue gun, and this is my glue stick, and here I need scissors to cut my sewing thread here. Okay, with me here I also have this bag. Okay, this is what I use, if someone can guess, but I still have to tell you what it is. This is a bag, or where I keep my earphones so that they do not get lost or get dirty, and I am so sure they will always remain here because I find it easier to have them stored here. So guys, let's start our video and just get to enjoy. So guys, this is what we're going to do. It's a new one, and I think I want the long tassel earrings, and let's just get started. So I think I want that length. Yes, so let me see. I think I want these. This is the length I want. Let me see. Yeah, this is awesome. Yeah, this is exactly what I want. So this is what I'm going to do. From here, I'm going to just do this. Okay, this is exactly what I want. Because I want a long one, just if you can use this to make, this is what I'm going to do. I hope you like it. I hope you can learn something. Try improvise anything you can get. Oh my goodness, I don't want this one to just get messed up. I can't afford. Okay, let's see. So guys, I'm still making, I'm still like wrapping my thread here because I want my earrings to be of the same size and same length, right? I want to just do it until I get I don't want them to be so small. So just watch out what I'm doing, and then you will get to understand what I'm exactly making. I love long tassels, and I thought because I would make the colors that I want. Check it out, and you will learn how you can make your own earrings. Let me hope that it's almost done. Sorry. Oh, it's okay. I'm almost, guys, done, so that we get to fixing the earring itself, and I'm just going to rock them tomorrow, and you're gonna see how I will be looking good. So let's see, let's check out your girl doing her things, her DIY things. So you can make long ones like me, or you can just decide to make the short ones. Either way, they will just come out well. But I think I love the long tassels. sorry. Oh guys, let me sip my green tea. I love the rose in it. I think I had a long day, so I feel good now that I'm home, and I want to just make these earrings so that I get to show you, as I get to just rock them and just be and feel good about it, because it will make me feel happy to see you like my video and leave a comment what you think I went wrong, or what should I have done, or what did I do that you didn't like. But I'm so sure that you guys just going to love this video. For people who want to start making earrings to sell, I have so many ideas, and they're not really so costly. I'm going to tell you how much it's going to cost me to make these tassel earrings, and you will definitely not believe it. So stay connected until we see the end product of my tassel, and I know you will definitely love it. Wow, I think I got the right size, guys, and I am just going now to yeah, that is so good. And let's get to just cutting it. One more round. I keep saying one more round, but I think that's enough. Yes, I think the size is right for me. So guys, I have to use my kitchen scissors because I could not just get time to just buy scissors to do other things. So guys, this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to cut here. So let me hope it's going to just, wow, check it out, guys. I totally did it, and this is what I have right now. Okay, yeah, this is what I got right away. Okay, I just want to separate it, and guys, it's going to be, I love them already. I totally love my tassel. So okay, I have to use these, I want them to be straight, because I don't know, I just want them to just look good and just feel good, and I just want them to be nice. And this is what I'm going to do so that they do not get entangled. I just want to detangle them slightly, doing them slowly. Wow, that is how they look good. And this is what we have. You see, anything that should not be here I will just get rid of it, and my earrings will be looking super good. This is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to tie this thread here in the middle and make sure that it is the right, I know you're going to like it. Yes, I know you're going to definitely like it. And this is what I'm going to do. Wow, that one is good. This one feels nice, and I'm just going to make sure I tie it well. It's a process that requires someone to have passion about what you are doing. Yes, that is good to go. The other one, I'm just going to use glue to fit the remaining parts. And this is my tassel earring. That's how it's going to be looking, and it's an amazing thing. So guys, the next thing I'm going to do, actually I'm just going to let it, this is what I'm going to do. I have this is where I'm going to put some glue here, and then I'm going to put this one inside here, as you can see, and that's how it's going to be looking, like that. Guys, I hope you love my earring. Before even I fix it, I'm just going to put a glue here. You see the way I just did. And then I'm just going to, like, make sure I put it inside well. And then I give them time to cool, and then I get to just have my nice tassel earring with me here. Very simple. I say this is a simple channel where we learn so many things, so many awesome tricks and tips that can make us just get and gain so much knowledge. These are the end products. These are my tassel earrings that I'm going to wear tomorrow, and I'm going to package the other one that I'm going to make later today and give to my best friend. And I'm still sipping my green tea here that has roast, and it's amazing. And guys, this is what we could do today. I hope you love the color. I hope you love the length. I too love everything about the earrings that I got to make today, guys. And it's an amazing because it's something that is made out of love, out of wanting to just create something that this one shows that you can make something if you have the passion, or you have, like, you feel like you can just make it. So guys, don't forget to do the necessary, that is subscribe to my channel, like, share, and leave a comment on the comment section. Tell me how you feel your girl did it. Did she nail it or did she not nail it? Guys, it's been a while, and I just I had to put this video out for you, and thank you for the support so far. Till next time, guys, I love you.